Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. If you've been watching the credit card world closely, you probably noticed that Walmart has stepped back into the game with a brand new card, but it isn't just any store card. This is a credit card product that Walmart is backing, tied to their OnePay financial marketplace. Yesterday, I was pre-approved for $8,000 with no documentation required. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what the new Walmart OnePay credit card is, how the approval process works, and what kind of rewards that you can expect to receive. We'll also talk about the differences between the full MasterCard version and the store-only version. We'll also discuss what you can expect in terms of credit limits and how to maximize the rewards. If you're already spending money at Walmart right now, this will be the perfect card for you. And by the end of this breakdown, you'll know if this card is worth adding to your wallet or if you should stick to more traditional cashback options. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's start with the basics. Walmart and Capital One discontinued their consumer credit card agreement in May of 2024 after a federal judge ruled in March of last year that Walmart could end the partnership early due to Capital One's failure to provide adequate customer service. I covered this in a video last year. If you want, you can refer back to that video and watch it. However, the information is outdated and I pretty much just summed it up. Back in June, Walmart announced that they're re-entering the credit card space. They've teamed up once again with Synchrony Bank, which has been their partner in previous Walmart card launches, but this time Walmart is using the OnePay branding on the card. OnePay, formerly known as One, is a financial technology company offering various products including OnePay Wallet for contactless payment at Walmart, OnePay Later for buy now, pay later services, OnePay Cash for banking with early direct deposit, no monthly fees, and high yield savings, and it also provides the OnePay Credit Builder that can help you build credit, and the OnePay Walmart Spend Card for purchases at Walmart and Walmart.com. In other words, this is Walmart's growing financial product and service platform. Think of it as Walmart's own ecosystem of money management tools where the retail giant is the majority owner. By rebranding their card under OnePay, Walmart is signaling that they're not just dipping into the credit card space again, they're trying to build a financial marketplace to compete with companies like PayPal, Apple, and Amazon. And that means one thing. Walmart will want mass adoption. They want approvals. They want people using this card and they want them at their stores and they want this in your wallet. This is going to help you get approved for this card. The Walmart OnePay CashRewards MasterCard will come in 2 different tiers depending on whether you're a Walmart Plus member. If you pay for Walmart Plus, you get 5% cash back on all Walmart purchases. If you don't have Walmart Plus, you still earn 3% cash back at Walmart, and on everything else outside of Walmart, you get 1.5% cash back. That's pretty straightforward, but let's break down why this matters. Most entry-level cashback cards give you 1% on everything, or maybe 1.5% if you're lucky. And yes, there are 2% cards on the market, but here's the catch. Those usually require good to excellent credit. If your score is in the mid 600s, you're often not even in the conversation. Walmart, however, has a long history of pushing Synchrony Bank to approve people who otherwise might not qualify elsewhere. That means the Walmart OnePay card is a backdoor into rewards that you might not be able to get from bigger issuers like Chase, Citi, or American Express. And if you shop at Walmart every week, that 5% cash back is huge. Even the 3% is competitive with many grocery cards out there. Walmart Plus costs $98 per year. So for you to break even on the upgrade from 3% to 5% cash back, you need to spend around $5,000 per year at Walmart. So that comes out to about $417 per month. If you already hit that number, then paying for Walmart Plus just to unlock the 5% rate would make a lot of sense, even if you never use the other perks. But keep in mind, Walmart Plus also gives you free grocery delivery and free shipping on online orders. So the smart play here is this. If you're already spending at Walmart regularly, then Walmart Plus paired with the card almost pays for itself. The sign-up bonus isn't going to blow your mind. If you spend at least $75 in the first 30 days, then you'll get $35 back. That's not a massive bonus compared to other premium cards on the market, but remember, this card isn't really aimed at people chasing sign-up bonuses. It's built for people who want a guaranteed approval, lower barriers, and solid ongoing rewards. Now let's look at how you actually use the rewards. With the Walmart OnePay card, your cash back can be redeemed in two ways: as a statement credit directly reducing your balance, or deposited into a OnePay cash account, which is part of Walmart's larger ecosystem. Most people will probably just take the statement credit. It's simple, it's clean, and it instantly reduces what you owe. But Walmart is clearly pushing people towards their OnePay system to keep you inside their financial network. Here's where things get interesting. When you apply for the Walmart OnePay credit card, it's a soft pull like most other Synchrony cards. Synchrony Bank first considers you for the full rewards MasterCard. That's the version that gives you 5% or 3% at Walmart and 1.5% everywhere else. But if Synchrony decides that you don't qualify, they can still approve you for a different version called the Walmart OnePay Spin Card. This card is more limited. It only works at Walmart and it doesn't offer you cash back, but it does give you access to a credit line. This is very similar to how store-only cards have always worked. For people with low credit, it's not ideal, but it's better than denial. And more importantly, it can help you start building or rebuilding your credit. Based on past Walmart approvals, here's a general rule of thumb: 700 and up, you're almost guaranteed to get the full MasterCard. 650 and up, you're very likely to get approved for the MasterCard. If you're 600 to 650, you're in the gray area. It could go either way. You might get the MasterCard or the limited spin card. Below 600, your odds drop, but it's still possible that you'll get the Walmart only card. Personally, I was pre-approved for an $8,000 limit. Now, does that mean that everyone is going to get the same $8,000? Of course not. I have the Sam's Club personal card with a $20,000 limit currently, which is also backed by Synchrony Bank, and of course, Sam's Club is owned by the Walmart Corporation, so I do have a relationship with them currently. For the soft pull, it was my TransUnion FICO 8 score, which was an 805, but it looks like they could possibly pull Equifax as well, which was a 795 at the time. But what I've seen with Walmart and Synchrony in the past is that they hand out surprisingly high starting limits compared to other cards. I've also seen many people report approvals that are $1,500 to the $5,000 range right out the gate, even with mid to 600 credit scores. And for stronger profiles, $8,000 is definitely on the table. I highly recommend watching my credit card limit increase hack video about the Sam's Club MasterCard. The reason why that video is so important is because I discuss how I went from a $1,000 credit limit on that card, and I now have $20,000 on that credit card in about a 12-month time frame. Now, the cool thing about Synchrony, they can basically double your limit around every 90 days to around every 3 statement cycle dates. So if you watch that video and let's say you get approved for only a $2,000 card, I believe you can double your limit every 90 days up to the point of $20,000 to possibly $25,000 if they have the same limits as the Sam Club card. So again, highly recommend that you watch that video. It will probably be applicable with this card as well. I documented my entire process of applying for credit limits and I created a strategy. And again, I believe it will definitely work with this card. So who would I say this card is best for? First, if you're already a Walmart shopper, then this card is obviously a no-brainer. If you're spending hundreds every month at Walmart and don't have a card that rewards you for it, you're leaving money on the table. Second, if you're someone with a fair credit score who struggles to get approved for traditional cashback cards, then this might be your way in. Walmart has a track record of approving first-time applicants, and that makes this a decent starter card if you want to begin building a credit history with a recognizable brand. Of course, no card is perfect, so let's quickly look at the drawbacks. The sign-up bonus is tiny compared to major issuers. The 1.5% rate outside of Walmart is okay, but not industry-leading. And if you fall into the Walmart spin card tier, you're locked into Walmart purchases only and you don't earn any rewards. That last one I think is the biggest frustration for many people. If your score is borderline, you need to be prepared for the possibility that you won't get the full MasterCard and instead you'll be stuck with a glorified store card. Here's how I believe that you can make this card work best for you. If you're already a heavy Walmart shopper, get the Walmart Plus card to unlock the 5% rate. The math makes sense. If you spend more than $417 per month, then essentially you're getting the Walmart Plus for free. You want to use the card for all Walmart purchases, including groceries and online orders. For non-Walmart spending, decide whether 1.5% is worth it. If you already have a 2% card, use that instead. If not, this card can serve you as an everyday card until you qualify for something stronger. Redeem your rewards as statement credit to help keep your balance low and to help with your credit utilization. And for my final thoughts on this card, the Walmart OnePay credit card isn't a flashy premium travel card. It's not going to get you free flights or luxury hotel stays, but it's not trying to. The card is designed to give everyday Walmart shoppers a chance to earn meaningful cash back, all while making approvals as easy as possible. With the potential for an $8,000 starting limit with no documentation required and competitive rewards at Walmart, it's a card that fits a real need in the market. So whether you're rebuilding or you're starting from scratch or you just want to maximize your Walmart spending, the OnePay card could be a surprisingly strong addition to your wallet. Currently, we are on www.onepay.com. I'll put a link in the description so that way you can click on it, and you want to scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the OnePay Cash Rewards card, credit with unlimited cash back. Now, if you want to get started, then you can click on here and then it's going to take you to the application pop-up. With this application pop-up, you can see if you pre-qualify. You'll easily just click on that button and then you'll enter your information. After you enter your name, then you'll be asked to enter your phone number. Once you enter your number, you'll receive a code. Now, I got the code. My information is right here. It's showing my email and my home address. That's going to be, of course, blurred out for me, but you'll want to enter that in, or it might auto-populate if you already have some information with OnePay or Walmart. Now, this information will be blurred out, but it's going to have your date of birth, it's going to ask for your social, and then it's going to ask for your annual income. You'll want to enter that information, and once that's entered, then you can see if you pre-qualify. Again, it may pull either TransUnion or Equifax. The first time I tried this, I had my reports frozen, and then I received a letter like a couple days later, and it told me, hey, you couldn't qualify because we couldn't access either Equifax or TransUnion. Now, you could unlock one and freeze the other. For me, I unlocked both, and when I went back to do the application again, I pre-qualified for $8,000. And once you enter all that information, you can see if you pre-qualify for this card. If you were pre-qualified, please drop that in the comments below. I want to know what everyone else was pre-qualified for. That does help other people. You can also leave data points so others will know kind of what they need to have in order to qualify for a certain limit. Or if you got the store card, all that is good information, and I would love if we can share that with one another. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please let me know in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to start making more videos on credit cards with guaranteed limits. It's been a while since I've done a video like that, but a lot of them end up being Synchrony Bank cards. So if you're familiar with Synchrony Bank, then you know that pre-qualification is very normal for these types of cards. And again, I can always make a list of more options for you towards the end of this year. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.